Shalom class, welcome to your favorite channel at Innocent MAPANDA Tutorials. In today's lesson we are going to focus on statistics, paper 2 November 2020 Zimsec. Right, so I'm going to start with the first question, which is in line with probability tree diagrams. It reads: the probability that a man goes hunting is 0.3. On a day when he goes hunting, the probability that he has rabbit meat for supper is 0.82. On a day when he does not go for hunting, the probability that he has rabbit meat for supper is Y. The probability that the man has rabbit meat for supper on any day is 0.6. Here comes the first question. Find Y. Right, so what you need to do first is you draw a tree diagram. So the first branch is going to come out like this. The probability that a man goes hunting is 0.3. So let H represent the probability of hunting, and let bar H represent the probability of not hunting. So I'm going to put 0.3, which is the probability of hunting here. Right. So if he goes for hunting, there is a chance that he is going to get a rabbit or miss a rabbit. So it means I'm going to draw another branch here. Rabbit and miss rabbit. Then we also need another branch here. Rabbit and miss rabbit. Right. So the branches, they add up to 1. So if we have 0.3 here, it simply means that we have 0.7, the probability of not going for hunting. Right. We move on to sentence number 2. On a day when he goes hunting, it means that we are now concentrating on this branch here, right? The probability that he has rabbit meat for supper is 0.82. So I'm now writing 0.82 here. So it simply means that the probability of not having a rabbit meat supper when he goes for hunting is now 1 minus 0.82. 1 minus 0.82, you get 0.18. You put 0.18 here. We move on to third sentence. On a day when he does not go hunting, now focusing for this one, the lower branch, the probability that he has rabbit meat for supper is Y. So you put Y here. So it simply means the probability that he does not have rabbit supper is 1 minus Y, since they add up to 1. So this is how you complete your tree diagram. So to find Y, you now move to the last sentence. The probability that the man has rabbit meat for supper in any day, whether he goes hunting or not go for hunting, is 0.6. So it simply means that when he goes for hunting, he will have a rabbit supper, or when he does not go for hunting, he will still have a rabbit supper. So HR, you are taking 0.3 here, then you multiply by 0.82, which is the probability of having a rabbit meat supper when he goes hunting. Then for Oro, you put a plus. Then bar H, it means he does not go for hunting, which is 0.7. But still, he's going to have a rabbit meat supper. So you multiply with Y. Then equate with 0.6. So 0.3 times 0.82, you get 0.246 plus 0.7Y is equals to 0.6. So 0.7Y is equals to 0.6 minus 0.246 0.46. You get 0.354. Then divide both sides with 0.7. So 0.7 and 0.7, they cancel out each other. So 0.354 divided with the 0.7. You get 0.5057. And this is the value of y, which can also be presented as 0.506 to 3 significant figures. Right, we now move on to part B of the question. Given that the man has rabbit meat for supper, find the probability that he went hunting. So this is now a conditional probability. Whenever you hear the word if or the word given that, you must understand that it is now conditional probability. So conditional probability formula, it says that A is the asked probability and C is the conditional probability. If you are to expand this, you get probability of A intersection C divided by probability of C, the conditional probability. So let us identify the asked probability as well as the conditional probability in our question. Given that conditional probability refers to the probability which comes after the word given that. Given that the man has rabbit meat, so our conditional probability is R, right? Find it now means the asked probability. Find the probability that he went hunting. So our asked probability is H. So here you write P, H intersection or H and R divided by probability of R, something like this. So H and R is whereby you multiply 0.3 with the 0.82. So 0.3 here times 0.82, you get H and R, then divide by probability of R. Probability of R refers to the probability that he is going to have a rabbit meat, and the probability was given already as 0.6. So I'm going to divide here by 0.6. I hope you are following. So 0.3 times 0.82 divided by 0.6, you get 0.41. Then you are home and dry. So this is how you are supposed to tackle this question.